if you're using a reward-based system in your school and kids are getting rewarded for throwing away their garbage in the cafeteria, that's something they should do anyway. You don't get a reward for reasonable expectations. And that's when those systems fall down. Those incentives, if you will, are for beyond the call of duty. And we all should be on the same page with that. If I'm rewarding you just for getting into line, if I'm giving you extra tickets or tokens just for throwing away your garbage or turning in your homework, then I'm teaching you completely from the external. That every time I do what I'm supposed to do, I'm going to get a reward. And that's not okay, because how many of our kids right now are sitting there in the classroom and they're passive learners? What are you going to teach me today? Well, it's not about what am I going to teach you today. It's about what are you going to learn today? And I am so on the road now to wanting to change that external to the internal. How do we get you internally motivated?